to Lakeside Presbyterian Church Kitchen. We hope the work you do here will truly show hospitality to your family, friends, and friends you just haven't met yet. The kitchen was built to be easy, clean, and safe. Here are just a few steps you need to take to use the dishwasher. However, if you have questions or need a reminder, these instructions are posted on the wall right next to the sink, near the dishwasher. When you are preparing or plating food for coffee hour, do this before church begins. Turn on the water heater. Turn on the dishwasher. Turn on the hood. Close dishwasher lid and it will start automatically. When the water heater reaches 180 degrees, you are ready to wash. Here are the 5 kinds of racks we use. For dishes, the sides and dinner dishes. For bowls and other servers. For cold drink cups. For hot drink cups. For silverware. Please note that we have extra plates, hot and cold cups, and they are stored here. Use these first so you don't have to move the big storage carts. We mostly use these for large sit-down events. All of them can go through the dishwasher. Now there are some items that should be hand washed. They are in the minority, but when in doubt, please do hand wash. Better to be safe than sorry. Let's walk through how each is washed in the dishwasher. Please note that the dishwasher is very hot. It sanitizes without having to use detergent. Also note that we do not have a disposal, so making sure that the bits of food are thrown away is very important. The hot water also evaporates quickly and cleanly, so there is no need to dry the dishes by hand. The only exception will be to use dishcloths to dry the small wells on the bottoms of the cold cups and perhaps the large items like the cold water and lemonade dispensers. Again, if there is doubt, please dry them by hand before you put them away. Helpful hint, put on an apron. The dishwasher does splash. For hot cups. As dirty hot cups come in through the window, use the sprayer to rinse them off. Place them face down in the blue racks. Slide the rack left to right into the dishwasher. Pull down the machine. It will start automatically. When it finishes, slide the rack out to the right. Let it stand to cool, dry, or move it to the sink to dry and cool. Once dry, stack the rack for storage under the counter in the main kitchen. For cold cups. As dirty cold cups come in through the window, use the sprayer to rinse them off. Place them face down in the tan racks with cup holder dividers. Slide the rack left to right into the dishwasher. Pull down the machine. It will start automatically. When it finishes, slide the rack out to the right. You will have to dry the very bottoms of the cold cups with a dish rag. Once dry, stack the rack for storage under the counter in the main kitchen. Silverware. As silverware comes in through the window, sort them into the containers, using the sprayer to rinse them off. Note, it is easier to sort them at this stage than when they are already clean. Place them handle side up in the tan silverware racks. Slide the rack left to right into the dishwasher. Pull down the machine. It will start automatically. When it finishes, slide the rack out to the right. Let it stand to cool and dry, or move it to the sink to dry and cool. Once dry, stack the rack for storage on shelves under the center table in the main kitchen. Dishes and bowls. As dishes and soup bowls come in through the window, use the sprayer to rinse them off. Place them in the tan racks. Slide the rack left to right into the dishwasher. pull down the machine, it will start automatically. When it finishes, slide the rack out to the right. Let it stand to cool and dry, or move it to the sink to dry and cool. Once dry, unload it into the cabinets or storage racks in the main part of the kitchen. Those are located here. Odd items and serving dishes, utensils. Most items can be washed in the dishwasher. For those, please just follow the same directions as already discussed. Usually using the tan racks that have no separations work the best. The sinks in the same room as the dishwasher are for washing dishes. The best hint we can give is to go from left to right. Wash, rinse, sanitize. Turn the stopper handle in the left sink and fill it with hot water and add detergent. If you think you need to do so, you can fill the middle sink with clear water to rinse after you wash. Working from left to right, washing and rinsing, then set the clean items on the right side to dry, without toweling off if possible. If that is not possible, just use a towel. Put these items away where you found them or where the sign in the main kitchen indicates. When all items are clean, turn off all 3 switches on the dishwasher. Clean out the trap at back of the dishwasher. Dry off standing water on the sinks and or dishwasher. Mop up any water on the floor. If you used an apron, hang it back up. Open the sink stoppers and let the sinks drain. Please take home any and all dish rags, towels, tablecloths. Wash them at home and bring them back to church. During the week or on the next Sunday is fine.